interest, guys, we can have is this order block. Why am I calling this order block? How do you know that this is a valid order block, man? So a valid order block must cause Hello, what's up traders, welcome back. This is 2ManFX, guys. As usual, we have come up with a new vibe. We have come up with a new market analysis, guys. So today we got to look about our USD for each time frame, and guys, we are using previous data to do our back testing, man. So for today, guys, we got to see how can you get a continuation chart pattern, of which it is a reversal in terms of its rules, but you gotta use it as a continuation chart pattern. So guys, as you can see on this market, we already have a downtrend. So let me zoom out and show you why I drew this trend line. Guys, you can see that this market has been trending downwards, and now we have first touch, second touch, and we were expecting a third touch somewhere here. So when the market reached here, it gave us a third touch, but a third touch which was not all that significant. Then the market started going down. So for our break even was hit. That is not a problem, but we got to see how and why did I avoid, how could I avoid a trade like this, a short-term trade. So guys, when we zoom out again, you can see that since the market was coming back, was coming down in a downtrend, we got a head and shoulder pattern. Let me mark it for you so that you can see it very well here, man. Boom, this head. You can see that the market is really let me start from here. This is coming down. This is our left shoulder. We got a head building up, we got a right shoulder building up, and it finally closed here. But here, guys, you got to know come on, baby. Here, guys, you got to know how can you touch a pattern into a pattern as well, man, because you can see that this is a downtrend. We got our head and shoulder showing us a reversal, and what we are waiting for? We are waiting for a breakout, and we take this trade. So guys, as we are still analyzing this chart, again, when I remove that, you can see that, let me put this so that you cannot forget that this is our neckline of the head and shoulder pattern that we are looking at. And guys, when again I zoom and show you something, I got to see another head and shoulder inside a head and shoulder, which is really showing us that this market got to reverse, man. You can see that this is our left shoulder. We got our head here. We got our right shoulder building up, and finally we got a breakout, man. We got a breakout. So guys, when you see inverted head and shoulder, so of course before getting this head and shoulder, guys, we already know that the trend has changed, because we have got here, let me show you the reason why the trend has changed. We had got here a change of character, and if you check this, guys, this is a change of character, and once a change of character happens, you already know that the trend has changed. And of course, after getting a change of character, the market showed more bullishness by giving us a break of structure. And once I see a break of structure, I'm no longer interested in selling this market. I'm now interested in buying this market. So once we see this, guys, and we get a pattern which is head and shoulder, we start analyzing for buys. At the same time, guys, you can see that we got another head and shoulder inside a head and shoulder. So this outer head and shoulder is a reversal chart pattern, and this inside head and shoulder, it is a continuation chart pattern. Boom. So guys, when we see this, guys, what we want to see the market breaking this neckline, and once it breaks this neckline, guys, that is the time we got to look for buys. So now you see that the market has come back here, giving us the right shoulder, and it really broke this neckline and showing us that the head and shoulder is a valid pattern, and it is a valid continuation pattern. Boom. So now what we want to see, guys, you want to see this market coming down. Maybe it can push above, or just follow this scenario, man, and it comes back to test this neckline. And once it tests this neckline, guys, we got to look for buys somewhere here. and we catch our trade, we catch it all the way down. We can't target this high, because if you overrisk, guys, maybe if you come too greedy, you might not make some money. So we always have a minimum take profit, where we make sure that our take profit is hit. So for this case, guys, if it returns from here, because I already see some reversal signal, which is a double top. This is a double top, so I will show you on 1 hour time frame. This is for our time frame. So I already see this is as a reversal pattern or a reversal signal that is coming in. So this reverse signal is not telling me that the market is reversing, but it is telling me that it's time for a correction, or it is time of retracement. So once I'm in this market, guys, my take profit should be on this candlestick, or should be on this zone. So guys, as I told you, this is a double top. Let me confirm it and see on 1 hour time frame. Boom, 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 guys. I like these patterns, man, because these patterns happen anywhere, everywhere. You can see, guys, that this is really a double top. You see it coming up, giving us a neckline, coming up again, and now it is playing around here, and now we expect a take all the way down to this zone, give us a rotate. So let's go on our 4 hour time frame. So guys, now what we want to see the market coming down here, man. We want to see the market coming down. So as we keep playing, you can see that the market has really spiked above. That means this is not a valid this is no longer a valid double top. So this is the funny thing that you need to learn in the market. You might expect a double top, but it doesn't happen. So it is always better, guys, to wait for a break of the neckline, retest of the neckline, then we take the market all the way down. So that is how simple these things are. So I'm not talking bad about SMC market traders. It's not bad, they're trading good, but always you wait for confirmation. Price action is all about confirmation with the market. Once you get a confirmation, you take the market all the way to that direction, man. So you can see now this is no longer a valid a valid double top, but remember we already have a valid head and shoulder. So we're just waiting for a correction for us to take this market all the way down. Boom, we are now seeing some reversal signals, guys, but we are interested in buying this market. We are not interested in selling this market. Boom, now you can see, guys, that we have got another head another double top here. Let me go on 1 hour time frame so that I can see it very well. Yeah, boom, you can see now this is a really valid double top. Why? Because same scenario that had happened here, the same thing has happened here. It is an uptrend, giving us a neckline, giving us the second leg, and now it is back to this thing. So want to see a break and retest, then the market got to go all the way down. But remember our top down analysis, we are interested in selling, buying this market, because this market is very, very crazy, man. It can come and retest maybe this zone and it bounces above. So that means if you're selling here, you may be out with no money, man, and our goal is to make money. Okay, so let me go back on for our time frame, and I got to show you something, man. So for now, guys, you can see that we already confirmed our double top, and this double top we expect a correction. We don't expect a reversal, but we expect a correction. Boom, let's keep pushing and see. So guys, now we have confirmed a correction, but here comes a big problem with most of the traders. When will this market reverse? So we need to put a lot of confidence in this market to get our points of interest. Remember, we're already interested in buying it, we are not interested in selling it. Okay, so my first point of interest comes with a trend line. Okay, so you can see that this is the first touch, and we want to see maybe a third touch. Good of all that, you can see that we already have this support, resistance, and this broken resistance, guys, or the neckline of the head and shoulder. We got to see the market come and testing it. So my first point of interest is this zone. Another point of interest, guys, let me remove this trend line so that I can get a clear view. So another point of interest, guys, it is this order block. I want you to learn something today, guys. How do you get your points of interest? So this is the order block that I'm looking at. Let me mark it as well. Order block. This is the order block that I'm looking at. Once the market doesn't respect this zone, fine, good and clear. I got to see what is going to happen on this order block. So once the market comes back on this order block, I got to see if I can get an entry once after disrespecting this. So the last point of interest, guys, what I want to see is this demand zone. This is a demand zone, guys. I'm looking at this demand zone because, guys, it can really push the market all the way above. Again, remember, we have this point of interest which is giving us a third touch of the trend line. At the same time, it is a resistance which is broken, so now it's going to be a support. We have this supply zone acting as our point of interest, because guys, the market was moving up, it paused a bit and again it moved above. That means this demand zone, it can push the market back above. Good. So another point of interest, guys, we can have is this order block. Why am I calling this order block? How do you know that this is a valid order block, man? So a valid order block must cause a break of structure, and of which a break of structure which we got here, this is our break of structure that we got. So that means this order block is valid. And another important note you must have, guys, is that an order block must have some imbalance. And when you look at this order block, guys, you can see that it left behind this good, it left behind this imbalance, man. So you can see that this imbalance can easily cause the market to come and clear this imbalance, then it goes all the way up. So my final point of interest to confirm all this, guys, it is the time when you bring in a Fibonacci retracement tool. So for a Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, you know that our premium zones or our points of interest comes with a 50% of this move, of this impulsive move. So guys, you can see that the market, we are starting from here because this point this impulsive move began, and now we are facing a retracement. So I expect this market to come and retrace on 50%. So good and well that you see that our 50% is matching with this demand zone. So if the market respects this, we got to look at this point. If the market respects this again, you got to look at the order block. You get that point? So now it is time for us to see and watch the market. Once you get that into your mind, once you set your points of interest, just sit down behind your computers and you watch the market, how it is playing around. So for me, guys, now it is time for me to sit behind my computers and I watch this market. What is happening? I already have my points of interest, 1, 2, 3, all of them are matching with my trading strategy, guys. So let's now see what's going to happen. You can see now the market is trying to reverse, but we are not interested because the market has not yet touched our demand zone. It has not yet touched our trend line for the third touch. It has not yet even reached our order block, so I'm not interested in buying this market. Boom, let's keep moving, guys. Let's go. Remember, guys, we had our double top, and I think this is a retracement of the double top or a retest of the neckline of the double top. So if you go on 1 hour, there is a simple sell here, but I'm not interested in selling this market because I'm not going to go against the trend of the market. Let's keep moving and see, guys. Now you can see that the market is now showing some retracements. Boom, now we are coming to our premium zone. We are good now to keep an eye watch on this market, guys. Sorry, let's go, man, let's go. Boom, this is really interesting, guys. You can see that now the market, how it was moving all the way down, has started giving us some pause and going down. So this might be a stop loss hunt for some people who entered on this inside bar, but we are not interested in buying this market because one confirmation isn't enough for me to take this trade. And we keep watching hour per hour. So this is for our time frame. We got another inside bar, guys, but still I'm not interested in buying this market because even if you go on lower time frame, there is no change of character here, man. There is no change of trend because if you go on 15-minute time frame, guys, this is a super downtrend. And of course, you know that how do you confirm that the trend is changing after getting a break of structure? So for this case, guys, we want to see a change of character or a break of structure. So let me go on 15 minutes. I confirm what I'm telling you, guys, because this market is very simple, man. Sorry, it's not simple as you think, but it's simple once you master this thing. You can see this is the thing that I was telling you, that it is a super downtrend, and you can see break of structure showing us it is a super downtrend. So for us to confirm this, we must get a break of resistance above the market, closing above the resistance. That is when I can confirm that the trend is changing. But we are not doing this. We are not looking for entries on lower time frames. We are looking at entries on 4-hour time frame because the overall analysis was on 4-hour time frame. So guys, you see now we have first touch, second touch, and the market is really coming to our is really coming to our trend line, giving us maybe a third touch. At the same time, we have this scenario which is happening with this demand zone. Good to go for us, guys, so that if we get another confirmation not breaking below here, we got to buy this market. Why am I saying not breaking below here, guys? Let me zoom out and show you something. So guys, if I get a break of structure here, this is break of structure going down, that means this inside bar is not valid for me. I want to see another candlestick closing above. That's when I got to say that this break of, this inside bar is valid for me. Okay, so I'm not taking any trade on this inside bar because the previous candle had broken this, had broken the structure, or it had broken this support. Because if you go on a lower time frame, this is a support, retracement, break of support. This can be a retracement, because guys, those are simple tricks that you need to master, man, so that you can avoid taking false trades. So if someone took a trade here, is already out, man. So if you take a trade here, you can be really easily out. So let's keep watching this, man. Boom. So for now, guys, we have got another bullish candlestick. So it is time for me, if I get another reversal candlestick or continuation candlestick within this zone, I'm going to buy. Reason being, it is our demand zone. At the same time, it is almost our trend line, so it can be another touch of the trend line which has not really touched our trend line, but it can be valid as well. So, and we keep moving. You can see now the market is doing some retracements. Boom, we are good to go, guys. You can see now this is a pause of the market, and the market was engulfed, man. So for now, it is time for me to take a buy comfortably, because this is a 50% of the Fibonacci retracement tool, demand zone, at the same time nearby our trend line. So why not for me to buy this market with full margin? No, don't use that in price action, because if you do a full margin, guys, you got to blow your account, and the market got to give money to other people who use proper risk management. So where our stop loss is, our stop loss must be below this demand zone. Below this demand zone is my stop loss. And where is my TP? I told you guys, we are not targeting above this high. So for me, I target this order block. You get? I target this order block, this very high. This is my take profit. And you can see, guys, let's see how the market got to play this out, because if you target much, you may not get it, man. You may not get it, because this market is too crazy. So, and we keep watching. We already in, guys. We already in this trade, and now you see how the market is really spiking above, man. This is how the market is really spiking above. So this is simple money, quick money, fast and easy money, man. Easy. Just make it simple. Be patient. Wait for the market to give you entries, then you gotta make money, bro. You gotta make money. Okay, people, if you like this video, give me a like, share the video, bell button, so that you cannot miss another video that I'm gonna share with you very soon. Yeah, wish you the best, man. Boom.